How to build real income-producing side hustle that makes you real money in 2022. How can you make money from home? Let's go over some legitimate, authentic, and effective ways to make money from these side hustles. Some of these options will allow you to put your skills, knowledge, or hobbies to use. You could even use your imagination to start a profitable business that will help you gradually increase your income. So, without further ado, let's get started on learning how to build a real income-producing side hustle that makes you real money in 2022. You can choose several of these activities or devote all of your energy to one. The concept is to try to do something profitable that you like and enjoy. 5. Personal branding. We are all brands, whether we realize it or not. Everyone. Selecting the best social media channels for making yourself known and promoting your brand, knowing your audience, where they congregate, where they participate more, and understanding the tools and scope that each social network offers is crucial to ensuring that your branding strategy is effective. Facebook is the most popular social network globally with over 2 billion users. It is a versatile platform where you can meet people from all demographics and share all types of contents, such as text, photos, videos, links, GIFs, etc. Fan pages have increased your viewers' marketing value and engagement, which are essential components of personal branding. Twitter. The two keywords that define Twitter are immediacy and real time. Because you only have 280 characters to convey your message on this open platform, clarity and simplicity are essential. In terms of numbers, it pales compared to Facebook, which has 326 million users. It is, however, more popular amongst millennials and young professionals and is excellent for fostering reciprocal connections and interactions. You can keep track of what people are saying about your industry and competitors using a feature called lists. YouTube. Because videos are much more appealing and shareable than text, they can be essential in developing your brand as visual support. YouTube is the world's most popular video sharing platform and the world's second most popular search engine after Google. Instagram. Instagram is a visual communication platform that focuses on photos and videos. Its format is more casual, enjoyable, and creative. Its demographics is primarily made up of people between 18 and 29. Because of its visual character, it is a channel that aids in establishing a brand's image, tone, and identity. The best way to take advantage of all audit benefits is to create a company profile. LinkedIn. If you're looking for a new job or want to learn about new opportunities, this is the place to be. This platform functions as a permanent online CV, allowing you to stay in touch with colleagues, companies, and experts in your field. A profile on this social network connects you to the largest online network of jobs, employers, partners, and clients. It is also a channel where you can share content and show your knowledge in your area of expertise. Pinterest. Consider one of those cork boards where you can display a collage of images. This mostly female-dominated social network allows you to curate collections of photos and videos in a space called boards. It is an inspiring platform that promotes exploration and will enable users to share their passions and interests on a large scale in a straightforward format. It would be a wonderful gesture if you could take a moment to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more financial success videos. Now, on to the next hustle on the list. 4. Real estate. A property can be used for commercial purposes, generate additional income, be transformed, and even be resold. Learn how to make money in real estate and apply these ideas to make the most of your money. A. Invest in other cities. If you can purchase another property, you should consider investing in tourist real estate. Despite their vulnerability to availability and seasonal ups and downs, these properties are a good investment that will always be useful for all those on vacation. Properties gain capital gains based on various factors surrounding them, such as location and durability. So property in a tourist area has the potential to increase in value over time. If you need to sell the property in the future, this will generate more money than your initial investment. Rent out a home as a single-family residence. Many people invest in real estate because living off their income is a sure way to earn money consistently. If you own a second home, this is a fantastic opportunity. Before becoming a family landlord, you should take precautions to ensure that the house is in good condition and appealing to the potential tenants. To do so, you must examine the status of factors such as walls, pipelines, floors, access. Make a room available for rent. You don't need a second property to make money from real estate. Perhaps you've wondered, how can I make money from home? Allowing a room in your home to rent out is a simple way that does not require a lot of extra investment. Convert a property into a commercial space or corporate headquarters. Renting out a commercial space generates high returns and is considered a low-risk business amongst other advantages. Offer your home as a vacation rental. In addition to providing a place to relax for the weekend, rest stops can help you earn extra money. This is due to the growing popularity of vacation rentals, as many people regard them as a very convenient way to save money and feel more comfortable while travelling. If you've ever wondered, how can I make money from my house? Take these ideas into consideration and begin in a stable industry that will consistently provide you with extra income. 3. Become a freelancer. The COVID-19 crisis has demonstrated that not only is teleworking possible, but that people can perform a large portion of the activities via a screen. Training, entertainment, advice and procedures amongst other things. Today, we want you to see the variety of options available. We provide you with the ideas for projects that you can complete on a limited budget. There are as many business opportunities as good ideas. We offer you some options for starting a business from home in sectors where demand increases by the day. E-commerce. Online commerce has emerged as a significant player and it appears that it is here to stay. You will need a good website, elegant product sheets, a payment gateway that is perfectly suited to your business, and the ability to manage stock and transportation. Training. When looking for formulas that allow you to be self-employed from home, offering online training in your sector or speciality is an option worth considering. Many platforms make it simple to create courses in video, text, or presentation formats. Because video conferencing is becoming more common, it is now possible to teach live classes. Consultancy. Do you have a long professional career and are a specialist in your field? Provide your online consulting services and advise businesses on change management, crisis management, and growth strategies. Services. With a screen, we can use it to perform an increasing number of services, including classes, procedures, therapy, translation, etc. Numerous professions can be performed from home while self-employed. It is not a matter of inventing a new profession, but adapting your knowledge to the news channels that have become available. It's never been easier to work as a freelancer from home. Startups. Do you have a viable solution? Contrast it and weigh the project's viability. Find investors, write a business plan, get good digital support, and move your startup forward. 2. Make a YouTube channel. YouTube has grown in popularity, and while there is more competition, there is also a larger audience. If you genuinely want to make money, you must consistently upload videos with a low investment of only the cost of recording and editing your videos. Creating a YouTube channel and publishing your videos will allow you to earn passive income through advertising as your video gains views. However, if you genuinely want to make a significant amount of money, you must devote time to it. The majority of professional YouTubers devote their entire working hours to their channel. Make arrangements with businesses to sponsor you or advertise your videos. Sell personalized merchandise with your channel logo, such as t-shirts and caps. You will also receive donations from your subscribers. Business ideas. There are many highly profitable online businesses that you can start with very little prior knowledge and resources. You need a good strategy and make the right decisions. Affiliated marketing. Without a doubt, one of my favorite online business models due to the potential for recurring passive income. Many entrepreneurs who want more freedom opt for this business model. Although you will need to invest a significant amount of time initially, it has the potential to become a completely passive income in the long run. It is not uncommon for people who achieve success to quit their jobs and travel the world. Affiliated marketing entails creating a website that recommends specific products via affiliate links. When someone clicks on those links, they are taken to the website where the product is sold, and if they purchase it, the seller pays you a commission. Commissions for products such as online courses range from 30 to 50%, while commission for electronics are typically around 5%. Become a YouTuber. With the rise of video content, the idea of starting an online business from a YouTube channel is no longer a pipe dream. YouTube is the second most popular internet search engine, trailing only to Google, and it continues to grow at an astounding rate year after year. Despite increased competition, it is still a relatively unspoiled territory. If you believe you can provide viewers with entertainment or knowledge, starting a YouTube channel is not out of the question. You can make a living from it in the medium term. Contact companies and offer to advertise them in your videos. To stand out on YouTube, in addition to adding value to your target audience and printing your stamp to your communication style, specific knowledge of video positioning is also usually necessary for your content to appear in top positions. Make a podcast. In addition to videos, there is audio content available in podcasts. Podcasting is extremely popular in countries such as the United States, where it is estimated that 21% of Americans have listened to a podcast in the previous month. This channel is gradually establishing itself in the rest of the countries. Record your shows, interviews, or audio reflections and upload them to platforms like iTunes, iVoox, or SoundCloud to create a podcast. Work as a copywriter. As more businesses and entrepreneurs committed to improving their online presence, the demand for written content rises. To give you an idea, over 3 million articles are published on blogs every day. Because of the need to generate content, writers have become a highly sought-after profile online. Also, the entry barrier is shallow. You have to like it and be good at writing. Make money by selling your creations on online marketplaces. If you enjoy photography, music compositions, or programming, there is a business opportunity for you on some platforms that act as a marketplace, connecting creatives with clients. The idea is simple. You partner with these companies, including your creations in their product catalog on their website. When a client purchases a license to use your content, whether it's a photo or a music jingle or a web template, you make money and they make money. Get a job as a virtual assistant. The virtual assistant profession is one of the new opportunities that have emerged due to new technologies, and demand for it is expected to grow in the coming years. A virtual assistant is someone who works remotely, taking care of various tasks for other people, be they bloggers, entrepreneurs, or even companies, to relieve them of the most tedious and heavy work. Selling via dropshipping. The issue with online stores or platforms like Etsy is that they are not entirely passive. You must manage the inventory and make the shipments. However, dropshipping is a business model that relieves you of this responsibility. The concept of dropshipping is to work with a manufacturer or wholesaler to handle the shipments. You need to set up an online store where orders can be collected and attract customers. Dropshipping has the added benefit of lowering the financial risk associated with purchasing and storing stock, in addition to eliminating all shipping work. Profit margins are typically between 20 and 50%, which is not bad. The most significant disadvantage is that you lose control over the delivery and the merchandise status. Customers will complain to you if the shipment does not arrive or if the return is required, and you must ensure that the incident is resolved with the distributor. I hope this has given you a better understanding of what profitable online business models are available today. Each has advantages and disadvantages, but these are the ones that are currently generating the most revenue for small businesses. Thank you for watching the final session. It would be an honor for you to like this video and subscribe to this channel. And how about you? What kind of online business would you like to start? You can discuss it in the comments section below.